Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the account and environment. Have the Microsoft credentials handy and decide whether to use a new PSN user to preserve existing saves. Once done, close Minecraft and make sure your PS4 is connected to the internet. Next, open the PS4 main user, create one if needed, so you can link Minecraft to a different PlayStation profile. This avoids overriding another user's cloud data. This is the first actionable step towards switching the Microsoft account inside Minecraft. You now perform the core switch. Launch Minecraft under the chosen PSN user and go to Settings, then Profile. Sign out of the currently linked Microsoft account inside the game. This clears the in-game link, but not PSN. Once signed out, select Sign In and use the in-game browser to log into the new Microsoft account. Make sure to accept permissions. This creates a fresh Xbox Live link for that PSN user. This step replaces the old account with the one you want. Finish by confirming the in-game gamer tag and marketplace access reflect the new Microsoft account. This verifies the link succeeded. If you need old worlds on the new account, copy them locally or restore from PS Plus Cloud under the PSN user that now links the new Microsoft account. If the sign-in fails, create a fresh PSN user and repeat the login flow, reboot the PS4, and ensure no cached session is blocking the change. This common fix resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.